Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Steffi Marie, and today I'm very excited because we get to try and review the new Sailor Moon Colourpop palette. There it goes. And I do have one of the lip bundles. I have the Moonlight lip bundle. There we go. I don't know if you could tell, but I put on my Sailor Moon shirt. I'm gonna open up the box to show you the packaging. Oh, so cute. It's like the meme I use all the time. There we go. Might be a little too bright. Okay, fun fact about me. So my sisters and I, we used to watch Sailor Moon every summer, but school never got out early enough, so we only watched Sailor Moon in the summer. And we used to have our whole routine where 2 o'clock, Bananas and Pajamas came on, and then we used to wait for Sailor Moon, and I was Sailor Jupiter. So we watched the whole season throughout, probably, I don't even know how many times. We watched the whole season so many times. We are determined to not miss a single episode or miss the storyline. We'll start by actually the lips. So this one is the lip bundle. This is the blotted lip. Does it have? This one's called Bunhead. And I did put on a little bit of lip balm because my lips were really chapped. Ooh. I'm gonna call it a blotted lip, so I assume like with like Korean lips, you just blot on the color. I'm just gonna put it in the inner, around my inner lips, and then just blot it out. Okay, that's pretty. And the lip gloss. So this lip gloss is just called Sailor Moon. It has gold little glitter reflex in it, right? And then it smells good. Okay, and then here's the lip gloss. It's really pretty. It's like a little gold reflex in it, and it has like a sweet smell to it, but it also is like fruity. I can't quite figure out what it smells like, but it does smell good. Now on to the palette. I'm so excited. It's so pretty, and it's very pretty. It's very like pastel-y, reminds me a lot of the cartoon. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna actually, instead of swatching on my hands for review, I'm actually gonna swatch them on my eyelids. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start from here and work our way down and ending with the Justice. All right, so we're gonna start with Shining Moon. It's a very matte beige color. It's kind of like my skin tone. All right, so it's a good like color, I guess, to put in like my brow bone. Nothing special about it on my skin color. And next is Twilight Flash. It's a very peach color. That's pretty. Came out lighter than I expected, but at the same time, it's actually kind of neon. This is a fun color. Yeah, that's pretty. Ooh, I like that one. Next is Silver Crystal. It's almost like a, yeah, there you can tell. Like a pink, a silvery pink color. And for this one, I'm actually gonna use my finger. For the glitters, I'm gonna use my finger for application. That's pretty. And comes off on me just very silver. It doesn't appear pink at all. All right, I'm keep scratching at my eye because of my allergies. So it's like a big old spot right there. Okay, so yeah, it's very silver. All right, and then next we have Moon Castle. It's like it's almost like a pink. Okay, I like how it comes off. It's like very, very pink. Like a pretty pastel pink on my eyelid. I would definitely wear this color alone with like some eyeliner. That color's pretty. I really like this color. Okay. So far, these two colors I'm very, very pleasantly surprised about. There's a lot of kickoff on the pan, so which is fine. I don't mind because how pigmented these are, I don't care that, you know, there's a lot of kickback on the pan. Okay, so I forgot to hit record, but I did the full moon on my right eye. It's very, very pretty. I love it. It's like a true gold. And the silver moon, it's actually a soft shock. So if you see the indent from my finger, and I put it on my left eye, and then I actually used highlight. And honestly, I don't know if I like the silver millennium color. It's a champagne color, but I don't know. Maybe on my skin tone, it's just not a favorite compared to this very beautiful full moon gold color. This one's just not a favorite, to be honest. I did put it on it as a highlight, which it's okay. I don't love it, but it's okay. All right, next up is Mare Serenitatis. That's how you pronounce it? I don't know why they just didn't do Serenity. Why do they have to have this difficult name? But it's Mare Serenitatis. I would have liked Serenity more, but whatever. It's super, super glittery. It's not as dark as I expected it to be. I think this will be really pretty on top of like a brown eyeshadow, but and then on my finger, it's coming off very pink. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get, but you can tell in the reflection on my fingers coming off very pink, but on my eye, it's just very like glittery, like gold and coppery glitters. It's pretty, but it doesn't come off like in the pan at all. It's like a coppery pink color, but it'll be beautiful on top of a brown shadow for sure. But standing alone, it's kind of confusing. I'm not even gonna fuss with the laptop back there. It keeps cutting off and it's too much work. All right, and next is Luna. I like this color. All right, so pretty. Ooh, I like this. It's coming off very like a pastel purple with the blue undertone. You could see like when I move my eye, you could see the like reflection of the blue. This one's pretty. I like this one. I love it. So far, the only eyeshadow I don't like is the Soft Shock, the pink silver millennium. All the colors I actually really like. Okay, I don't know how the glitter got everywhere, but it did. So I'm just trying to get it off. So, and if you don't like glitter, might not want to use the Mare Serenitatis. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Anyways, next color. Next up, we'll do Miracle Romance. It's this pretty pastel-y purple color. I'm excited about this one. Okay, I love this color. When I think of Sailor Moon, I think of the city, what is it called? Crystal Tokyo. I think of this. It's so pretty. Oh, I love that color. Okay, just want to stare at it. So next is the Love color, and it's like silver glitters in it. I'm very excited. All right, I'm gonna use the other side of the brush. Again, there's a lot of kickback, but because they're so pigmented, they're like pressed pigments, so it's kind of expected. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. A little bit of fallout, but nothing too bad. Okay, I am in love with these colors. I want to keep them on. I love these colors. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna stain. A lot of pinks tend to stain eyelids, so definitely something to keep in mind. If you have something to do the next day, that's important. You may have stained pink eyes. Okay, so next is Tuxedo Rose. It's very peach with like a gold glitter inside of it. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, that is pretty. That is so pretty. I love it. All right, and then next is Justice, which is this yellow color. It has like silver glitter in it. And the reason why I'm not getting a ton of fallout is before I pack it on, I'm tapping the brush, because I did see quite a bit of people get a lot of fallout on their face. So I'm just tapping the brush before I put it on my eyelid. Okay. This is definitely like the color of Usagi's hair. This color I love. It's so yellow like Usagi's hair. I love it. My skin is just very dry and patchy, and I keep rubbing it because of my allergies, but the color is so pretty. I love the color. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pop a little silver crystal on my inner eyelid. Okay, so now for final thoughts. I love it. Obviously, you could tell I love it the way I'm just obsessing over all the colors. And at first thought, when you look at the color story, you don't really understand it. Like, okay, so there's a bunch of nudes and there's these neon bright colors towards the end. But the more I read the color names and put them on, I understood it. I get it, Colourpop. So what they basically did is the very top row, it kind of starts from like nudes colors, and then it goes into neon. And I understand the color palette, because if you are a true Sailor Moon fan, you understand that the top rows, it actually starts by dedication to the Moonlight Kingdom. So it's definitely inspired by the Moonlight Kingdom, and then it starts to go into inspired by the city Tokyo, right? City Tokyo. So I understand it. I get it. I love the colors. It's definitely dedication to the Moonlight Kingdom, the very neutral colors in the Moonlight Kingdom, and then it goes into the bright, beautiful pastel-y colors in the city Tokyo. So I absolutely love it. I want to wear the colors all the time. It is beautiful. I just want to look at this all the time. Isn't that so cute? I know the light's probably a little too bright. There we go. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I wish I got the blush now that I'm looking at it. They did come out with a gel glitter, which honestly, for me personally, as beautiful as it is, I feel like it would just be a waste of money for the gel glitters, because I would never have a reason to wear it, to be honest. I would put it on for a picture once and then it would just sit there. But the blushes, I love blush. As you can tell, I'm wearing quite a bit of blush today. I love blush, so I wish I would have gotten the blushes. But the palette, I love. The lip colors, I love. The blotting lips, I love. It's especially on my skin tone, it's not in your face pink. It's a very understated pink, and then when I blot it on, it's absolutely beautiful. The gloss, I absolutely love, especially on my skin tone. It's not too much, and it's not too deep, and it's not too light. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Let me know what you think about the launch. Do you love it? And also, from my understanding, is actually Colourpop, they are working really, really hard to restock and relaunch the collection. So hopefully they do, and I hope they come out with more, to be honest. I would love to see more of the Sailor Scouts in a palette. It's so pretty. I love it. I can't get enough. But yeah, let me know what are your thoughts, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. And also, if you want to see more of me, I do have a daily vlog channel, so I will put that down in the description box below. And if you want to support me and my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh no, can I get this off? Hold on. Okay, this is gonna be a pain in the ass trying to get off.